what the program does fundamentally is that it takes in inputs from the user and then it sends a request via API to fetch all the rates of currencies.
Nice. Real time. So it's like up to date. Exchange rate. Nice. Very nice. Very useful application. Okay. I think we need to press the button behind you.
Just choose from the list. So now I want to change.
We have here like all countries around the world.
So I want to change from pounds to currency.
Nice.
Let's see how much £1 is in currency.
20.
20. Yes. So now let's check 100.
Nice.
Now let's see.
Excellent.
So the time, the day, time, the amount, the results.
Excellent. Nice. Nice. So the content of the both of those drop-down menus are from the API itself. So you query the API for the list of currencies, and then you query the API for the actual exchange. So you have two queries with the API. Okay. And is this API free?
Yes, I was lucky to get free.
And is there a limit for this?
There's no limit.
So you can use this API like as many times during the day as you. Oh, very generous API. It's very currency converter. Nice. Okay, Abdel. Let's try.
So if you want to check a particular amount, just type the amount here. So let's say it's
100 US. Okay.
$100. So over here is the currency we are converting from.
So the source currency.
Yes, to the destination currency. So by default we have dollars in there.
So those are the default values for both of those drop-down menus.
Yes.
Nice.
Alright, so
Nice animation. Okay. So we get 1,575. Okay.
yes, but then after this, see that it's also saved here. So the time, the day, the time, and then the amount.
Full time stamp for where this query taking place, and the amount and the result. Nice. And two currencies. Nice. Excellent.
If you want to, you register with the email and then copy the key, API.
Okay. And what if you try to do something harmful for them? For example, you can create a Python script that will keep asking like 1,000 times per second.
Well, what happens is with this particular, the free one, you don't have as much information as the premium one. So I don't think they really care that much.
Have you heard about the denial of access, denial of service attack? Denial of service attack. Have you heard about this?
I'll check.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Nice. Excellent. So the history here is like, is it a permanent history? So in case we close the application, is the history will be saved for us? It's not going to be lost. Okay. What is the technique you are using to save the history?
So I saved it into a JSON file.
JSON file.
After
Nice.
every request, save it into a JSON file.
Nice.
And then before the application starts, it loads all of them back onto the interface.
Nice. So let's say I just made a query to the API. So I have a new record in the history. So you are going to update the JSON, and you are going to update this table at the same time.
Yes, so I'll update the JSON first, and then after I'll read from the JSON now. So when you make a request first, update the JSON and then wait for JSON now.
Nice, excellent, very nice. Okay. Is this the button for the exchange? Nice. So Can I try the application? I want to feel the user experience. Let's try. Okay, so okay. But this is nice. You are not allowing the user to enter any value because this should be only read only, not readable. Okay, nice. So let's say I want to change $100 to Ghana cedis. Can I press enter to get? Oh, nice. So you are binding the exchange button to the enter key on the keyboard. He's trying to make the user experience better. Nice. Excellent, my friend. So, reset, okay. Maybe this need to be make it plural, not queries. Because those are queries, okay? So, date time, amount, results. Nice. Is there a way to clear the history? So maybe need, for example, if I'm using bitcoins. Is there a bitcoin? Is it supporting bitcoin?
No, just
like the traditional currencies. It's not a cryptographic currencies. Okay. So or digital currencies. So maybe I want to do some.
One common thing in currency converters are when let's say you type in, when let's say you are changing from dollars to cedis, and let's say I make a mistake. Oh, it was rather cedis to dollars. So I want to change the
like swap.
Yeah, I want to swap the currencies. I'm now going to look for this. I'm now going to look for dollars here and cedis here before. So if let's say there was a button there that I press and to just change.
So instead of doing the data entry again, you want a button only to swap those two currencies. Nice feature. Very handy.
And another one.
Yes.
If let's say USD, I don't know USD is dollar. If let's say I don't know GD is Great Britain pound.
Yeah.
But if like let's say the USD is written and let's say the country is written by it, and I'll know if I'm changing to Chile currency and I don't know their currency, how will I know? I have to go and search for on Google before I know this is this country's.
Okay. So what you are suggesting, like next to the name of the currency itself, maybe like inside two brackets,
Yes.
there is like United States.